Welcome to Mr. Bird Hotel in the heart of Istanbul. Just scan that QR code popping up on your screen right now to unlock all the details about this absolute gem of a stay. Picture this. You step into a cozy, intimate hotel that feels like your own little sanctuary in the middle of this vibrant city. With just 12 beautifully designed rooms, Mr. Bird Hotel offers that perfect balance of charm and modern comfort, whether you're here for a romantic getaway, a family trip, or a solo adventure. Built in 2013, the property has that fresh, stylish vibe while still feeling warm and inviting. Now, let's talk perks. Every morning kicks off with a delicious breakfast to fuel your Istanbul explorations. And with Express Check-in, you'll breeze right into relaxation mode. No long lines, no fuss. Plus, free Wi-Fi means you can scroll, stream, or video call home without worrying about extra charges. Traveling with little ones? The hotel is super family-friendly. Kids aged 3 to 6 stay for free, making those precious family trips even sweeter. Location? Couldn't be better. You're in the heart of all the action, with stunning sights just moments away. And when it's time to jet off, the airport's an easy hour's ride. So, what are you waiting for? Book your stay at Mr. Bird Hotel and get ready for warmth, comfort, and all those little touches that make a trip unforgettable. Don't miss out. Scan that QR code or check the link below to secure your perfect Istanbul getaway today.